mass percent of each element in a compound. The molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance, usually expressed in grams and kilograms. Example 1. Copper and dibromide. So this is copper's atomic mass, and this is bromide's atomic mass. Since there is no number next to copper, we just have its atomic mass by itself. Bromide, dibromide, its atomic mass times 2, since it has a number next to it, and the number is 159.808. So we're going to add copper's atomic mass plus this to get that, and that would be our total. So forget about this one. The total. Okay. So in order to get the percent compositions of both copper and bromide, we have to do the part over the total times 100 for copper, and that would individually get us 28.4508. And bromide, the same thing, 159.808 over the total times 100, and that would get us 71.5492 for bromide. What percent composition of NH42S is nitrogen? So, since NH4 has commas around it next to it too, the 2 goes to everything, and it becomes that. Nitrogen 2H8, and the S stays by itself. So, some little section there. So, the atomic mass times 2 is part, and it's for nitrogen. Since this has an 8, atomic mass times 8, 8.0632, then S is by itself. Here, so add all these together, you get the total. And since it's only asking for nitrogen, you get nitrogen's part, which is this, over the total times 100. And it gives you 41.1. So that is the nitrogen composition.
Closely, you will notice that the food coloring spreads faster throughout the hot water than in the cold. The molecules in the hot water move at a faster rate, spreading the food coloring faster than the cold water molecules, which move slower.
Jackson,
Need 3 drops of dishwashing liquid, glitter, and 3/4 of a water bottle full.
Okay. Sprinkle in a few pinches of glitter.
A few pinches.
Faster rate, spreading the food coloring faster than the cold water molecules, which move slower.
Jackson,
Need 3 drops of dishwashing liquid, glitter, and 3/4 of a water bottle full.
Okay. Sprinkle in a few pinches of glitter.
A few pinches.
Do like 4.
Big, make it rain.
Okay. Put the cap on tight. And then
Experiment, we're going to need cold water and hot water again. Something to stir with and sugar.
we are going to start with the cold water, putting as many teaspoons of sugar.
That's too much.
That's too much.
So we want to go to 90?
That's good.
Yeah, right there.
Put another one. So that's 1 for cold.
I think I took too much. There you go.